Okay, yo. Yeah, we right back in it. What you know about it? Yeah, we right back in it. Yeah, I said we right back in it. Back again. I'm drinking tonight. What you know about that? I'm thinking about you tonight. Like every other night. 24/7, baby. What you know about that? Do you have another baby from the other dude that I once knew? But we ain't cool now, cause he got you. And after you left him, you came running back. But I wouldn't take you, cause you ain't like that. Yeah, you ain't coming back to me. I ain't going back to you. You know what it do. You always pulling through. Always pulling guys through. All the shit you've been through. Everything. Even if they haven't been through what you said they've been through. What you know about that? I almost messed up there for a second, but I'm right back in it. You can't stop what I'm saying. Every time I go so hard, trying to win. What you know about that? I say that way too much, but I don't really give a shit. You know what I'm saying? Can you fuck me? Yeah, I'm just playing, no girl. You know what I'm saying? You make me wanna hurl every day. You make me wanna jump off my feet and go to everything that you need. Go to all your needs, all your needs, all your needs. You know what I need? Not to go to your needs. You just get on your knees. Pray to the Lord, cause he's the only one that can help you out. Look in his love, look in his love. Love him, he'll love you. Even if you don't love him, he'll love you too. He loves me like he loves you and 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 you. Don't get me wrong, I know he loves you. So what you trying to say? That he don't love you? He loves you, man, don't even get me wrong. Not in a creepy way, man, it's just a song. Yeah, I'm just singing like I ever do, all day, every day. Trying to back around, put it in the 3-way, in the 2-way. Yeah, I'm on the street, call me Freeway.